ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka Deputy Commissioner ke East and West Khasi Hills District ka Kong Anita Kharpor ha ka arp sauterik ujelio arjar punrio kala penbenapaj ba sya baro ki nongsong shnong jong ka East and West Khasi Hills District ba ka Election Commission jong ka Re India kala ai hukum biang bakan don ka jing penthama ya ka thup electoral rule jong ka 30th Mairang but 31st Mawthadraishan Assembly Constituencies but ka jing penrung kerteng thama ya ki nongsong shnong ki balakan jo khat pras nam karta kat hadu kashi tarik urisau arja punrio. Kakong Kharpor kala penteb ba Naduh kalai phu tarik ujilio arja punrio ki bull level officer kin Sdang ba letrung sya man lagi thliwieng ban penrung kerteng bad yaki electoral rule ki bala dep ban penbit penbiang on supply paj ba ha ka nyau tarik urisau arja punrio. Kakong Kharpor kala kerpat ya baro ki nongsong snong bakin ya snok tilang daka bakin a ya baro ki jing pensisha ha ki boot level officer bat kala kerpat ya baro ki seng san perthei ki nong ya lampat ba ki riu pau khmat jong ki snong ki thau ki sordar snong ki seng bhalang bakin ya snok ti ban pentep ya kinu ki jing duna ki bala ban syam ha ki electoral rule hau electoral registration officer hakapor kababyang nakabenta banle ya kabadon kam bad ban pelong ya kanika special intensive revision kabayay bait ya renti
kublay pi baro dakani nga kwa ban intip pajba baka election commission jongari India kala ai hukum biang bakan don ka jingpen thamai ya ka thup electoral roll jongka laipo Mairang ST but laipo way Mawthadraishan ST Assembly Constituencies bat ka jingpen rung kerteng thamai ya kitu kinong song snong kibalakan jo khatras nam karta kat hadu shitarek urisau ar hajar ar punriu kumta ki block level officer kin wanra ya ki enumeration form haman la ki yeng Naduh ka laipo tarik ujeliu ar hajar ar punriu hadu aku kandai tarik unaitung ar hajar ar punriu hakap form haban pendap ya ki jing pentip jong pi ne jong ki kimi ki kpa Katkum ka special intensive revision kaba lashim hau ar hajar san. Tikumta ka copy jong ka SIR ar hajar san. La banyo na ka website jong ka DC office. Lani CEO office. Lani ka ECI web portal. La kerpat ru yaki pajba bapin ya bu lupa ya kidur pasport kiba don naka background wrongly kenang ban yo banta ya kini kidur haka form she copy jong ka form pin bu haladi but she copy pin I haki BLOs dala de pendap ya ka draft electoral roll bala dep pen kre and sa pen I pajba da ka bawa ha office jong electoral registration officer block development officer but haki polling station Naduh santarik benai August ar hajar ar punriu ladalap kino kijing duna ne kijing bakla haki kerteng la ne kijing pen rung jing tip Pila banpa ya ka jing ujor jong pi, sya office jong electoral registration officer, Naduh santarik u August, hadu sautarik u benai September ar hajar ar punriu. Nangta ya ka final electoral roll, en sa penmi pajba ha nyau tarik u benai risau ar hajar ar punriu. Namar kata lakar pat ya baro ki pajba ki seng san per thei ki nong ya lam pach ba ki riu per khat chong ki snong ki thao ki sordar snong ki dorbar snong ki seng bhalang ba ki nia snok ti lang bat ni knang ba ka jing pen rung kerteng ha ka ne ka SIR ka ba menta kan long ka ba job kublai shipon.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.